Hey guys, what's going on? If you're here for the first time, my name is Gopal and today I'm going to show you a wonderful accessories for my photos and videos, a monopod. Here I have Simpex 1502. Monopod is a camera support that has just one single leg. Here we have mounting plate, foam rubber grip, wrist strap, 32mm leg diameter, flip locks, non-slip rubber foot. Now let's open the box. Looks like it's not so big. And it also feels lightweight. You can carry around your shoulders, perfect for taking on your travels. Monopods are collapsible and usually comes in different heights with different number of collapsible sections. Most popular are 3-section or 4-section monopods. When you buy a monopod, it should be strong and stable, not too heavy, small in size when collapsed. Here we have, it looks sturdy, well gripped, weighs only 320 grams, made up of lightweight aluminum alloy. The build quality is quite amazing. Quick flip leg locks for its 4-leg section make the monopod fast to open and simple to pack down. Rubberized foot that expands the shooting angle options while still providing optimal level of stability. Use the wrist strap to improve stability. Most monopod come with wrist strap that primarily used to carry the monopod around. It has both screw sizes, one with spring mechanism. Now let's check the flip locks, and this is really important when you have all your adjustment in seconds. I found it is really secure and fast. Now I'll show you how tall it is. Here you can see I have kept the monopod beside my room door to just have an idea of the height. When opens with all the legs, it's around 180 centimeters. Now I'll fit my action camera to check the video shooting angles. Actually, it has a maximum payload capacity of 2 kg, means you can fix mirrorless camera, proper DSLR, compact camera up to 2 kgs. The packed length is 50 cm only, so that it will be easy to fit in a small luggage, perfect for taking on your travels. I strongly recommend this monopod as in camera accessories. Now, enjoy some sample videos that has been taken using this monopod.